Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS grid, align all items horizontally using justify items. Sometimes you want all the items in your CSS grid to share the same alignment. You can use the previously learned property and align them individually, or you can align them all at once horizontally by using justify items on your grid container. This property can accept all the same values you learned about in previous two challenges. The difference being that it will move all the items in our grid to the desired alignment. So we will implement it on container, and previously we were using it on the individual grid item. So that's also a difference. The task for this challenge, use this property to center all our items horizontally. So we have to use property name justify items to align all element to the center, and this is the result of the property and value we have given. So container class should have justify items property that has the value of center. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.